Welcome back to my channel Sapna Master IS. I am Sapna, and you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram. I have writing task two topics which came in 2021, and by the end of the video, you will be getting the task which can come in April and May. Yes, I have received the expected topics of April and May, which can be tentative. It is a predicted one. So let's see whether the statements definitely can be changed. It would not be the same, but yes, the topics could be the same or similar to it. So let's get started. This is the list of I have marked. This is about the tax. This is about the international sports. And here, managers alone should make decisions. These questions came in March and February, so I have made a list of it from my students, and they have given me the feedback. How was it? Was it interesting, easy, or difficult? So according to the previous exams, all the things we have made, we have compiled a list which can come in April and May. So guys, watch till the end. This is everyone to become vegetarian. Also prepare these previous topics because the questions are being repeated again and again. So you also try and write down all the things. This was about personal qualities or employers when they recruit something. Then residents are responsible for keeping the streets clean. Then this was about online books and groceries, which is buying online, shopping online. Then here the people are shifting from cities to the countryside, from countryside to the cities. And next is universities now offer their courses. So all the things they are going to be repeated. I will show you how, because many of my students who took exam in February on January, or they got the same type of question, not the same statement, but yes, the type of question was the same. So quickly moving ahead to the expected list, which I have in front of you guys. This is the one. The first one is on basis of art and culture. The second one is for museums. The third one is villages. Movement of people. Earlier, abhi मैंने आपको बताया the question which was there, the migration, and here the question is again the same. Yes, this can come again. International tourism की बात है तो वो दोबारा से repeat हो सकता है question guys. ये भी ध्यान दीजिए कि modern world which are getting dependent on the things, more dependent on each other. सो उससे क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है. ट्रांसपोर्ट का क्वेश्चन ऊपर भी था एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट टेक्नोलॉजी का क्वेश्चन नीचे भी है, ये आ सकता है. ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग का क्वेश्चन यू हैव ऑलरेडी सीन, बाइंग ऑनलाइन वहां पे लिखा था एंड ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग यहाँ पे लिखा है. देन कंप्यूटर्स आर रिप्लेसिंग ह्यूमंस. अगेन वर्क से रिलेटेड है तो हैविंग बिग सैलरी इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन. अगर मुझे ग्लोबलाइजेशन की बात करनी है तो मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज की इंक्रीज इन ग्लोबलाइजेशन की वजह से क्या पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट्स हो रहे हैं, और साथ में हमारे पास है व्हाट आर द रीजन जो हमें काम करते रहना चाहिए. टीनेजर्स का है, अगर उसकी क्राइम की बात करें, नेवर बी पुट इन प्रेजेंस विद एडल्ट्स. सो आई हैव कंपाइल्ड ईच एंड एवरी टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन गाइस. द क्वेश्चन can be different, but yes, the vocabulary will be the same. The type of ideas will be similar to it. आप इसको जरूर prepare कीजिए. Now the question is about rails and roads. Then the poverty is also increasing worldwide. What is the thing? Again, international tourism के ऊपर question है. एंड हेयर द वाइड स्प्रेड यूज ऑफ इंटरनेट मीन्स आजकल जो हम इतना स्टडीज कर रहे हैं उसके ऊपर है. एंड देन some people believe non-academic subject should be removed. This is a very good question. So try करो कि वही same topics की vocabulary एक साथ रखो और इन questions को solve करके evaluate करवाने की कोशिश कीजिए, so that you get an idea whether you are writing in a perfect way or you need some guidance. So social status है, material possession है, उसके ऊपर है. I have another list. That is this one. Now government है, air traffic के ऊपर है, zoos के ऊपर है. The whole list is in front of you. You can read each and everything. That is for all of you guys. This list has been made just for you, for your help, for your support, so that you can do well in your IELTS exam. So better use the question. स्मार्टफोन के बारे में है, सोशल कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस के बारे में, इंटरनेशनल स्पोर्टिंग इवेंट्स के बारे में है, फास्ट फूड के बारे में है, फैशनेबल क्लोथ्स के बारे में है, एंड द लास्ट वन इज फूड्स प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज, उसके रिव्यूज के बारे में, इंटरनेट के बारे में. सो द गाइस, द लिस्ट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. यू कैन डू इट, यू कैन प्रिपेयर इट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर need, your requirement, your necessity. right? All the best, guys. Do well. ये April और May के हो सकते हैं, so try to complete each and every question related to this topic. All the best, guys. Those who get the questions in their exam, do comment it like you got these questions so that it will be helpful, beneficial for the other students. Take care. See you in the next video.